Hey, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode where we dive into the world of gadgets and gizmos to help you make the smartest buying decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two sky warriors, the ATTOP drone and the TizzToy brushless motor drone. Buckle up because this is going to be one high-flying ride. First up, camera quality. The ATTOP drone is rocking a 2K 120 degrees wide-angle lens. Perfect for capturing your neighbor's embarrassing backyard dance moves in HD. But wait, the TizzToy drone brings a 4K adjustable lens to the table, which means you can zoom in on those dance moves with crystal clarity. If you're all about that pixel-perfect life, TizzToy takes the cake here. Reviewers of the ATTOP drone appreciate its decent camera, but note it's not as sharp as higher-end models. Meanwhile, TizzToy users rave about the stunning 4K resolution that makes their aerial shots pop. Next, let's talk flight time. The ATTOP drone offers a respectable 20 minutes with its twin 1,100 mAh batteries. Not bad, right? But then, TizzToy swoops in with 40 minutes of airtime thanks to its 1,600 mAh batteries. That's double the fun, double the spy time on your nosy neighbors. However, some ATTOP users mention needing extra batteries for extended playtime, while TizzToy users love the extended flight time right out of the box. Now onto the fun stuff, flight features. The ATTOP drone is a blast with its voice control, gesture selfies, and 360 degrees flips. It's like having a circus in the sky, but hold your horses, because TizzToy isn't just doing flips, it's got high-speed rotation, circle fly, and even 360-degree obstacle avoidance indoors. It's like the drone version of a ninja. ATTOP users enjoy the fun features, but wish for more advanced options, whereas TizzToy users are thrilled with the variety of tricks and obstacle avoidance. For ease of use, the ATTOP drone is a dream. One button for takeoff and landing, altitude hold, and it even finds its way home with one key return. It's like the drone has built-in GPS. Meanwhile, TizzToy offers headless mode, and one key functions too, but adds an electronic fence to keep it from flying off to Neverland. Both are beginner-friendly, but TizzToy seems to have the upper hand with those extra safety features. Reviewers of both drones highlight their ease of use, but TizzToy gets extra points for its safety measures. Finally, let's talk dollar bills. Both drones are priced at an identical $99. But what are you getting for your money? The ATTOP drone is perfect for those who want a fun, easy-to-use drone with essential features. On the other hand, TizzToy packs in more advanced tech like brushless motors and a 4K camera. So if you're looking for bang for your buck, TizzToy might just give you more bang for the same buck. ATTOP users love the affordability, but sometimes wish for more features, while TizzToy users feel they're getting great value with all the included tech. Summing up the reviews, ATTOP drone users appreciate its ease of use and fun features, but often wish for longer flight times and better stability. On the other hand, TizzToy brushless motor drone users are impressed by the advanced features, camera quality, and extended flight time, although some have faced challenges with customer support and app functionality. So there you have it, folks. The ATTOP drone is your go-to for a fun, user-friendly experience, while the TizzToy brushless motor drone is the powerhouse packed with advanced features. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.